Okay, this is Bucko's Math GED practice test number 1, question number 31. They did a movie survey by percentages. And I guess they forgot to write in a few. Anyway, the point of the question is we're supposed to try to figure out these two guys here that are blank. They had question marks in them. They had a certain number of people that liked action. 31 or 25% of the people that were surveyed like comedy. We don't know about drama either, Bahama drama. And we know that 22% of the people liked mysteries. 8% of the people liked foreign films. And the other films, which we don't want to talk about, who knows what they were, they're just called others. And 10% of the people like that. We're trying to figure out what fits in these two slots. We got to look at the graph, and we got to think about percentages. Remember, percent. Cent, how many cents are in a dollar? 100. How many years is a century? 100. So all of these, when we're done, should equal 100%. That's an important clue. So if you add these guys up, and you can do it in your head, watch how to do this. You go, see this 2 here, and this 8 right there, that's going to give you 10. We're going to do it. We're going to use our kidneys, okay? Our kidneys right up here, okay? 8 and 2 is 10, and 2 more 10s is 30, so this is 30. Another 10 is 40. 2 more 10s would be 60, and then 5. So we got 65 altogether. What do we lack? If you add 35 to 65, it will add up to 100. So these two guys that are missing are going to add up to 35. We know that. Because then we're going to have 100%. So we need 2 numbers added together to give us 35. We're looking for this combination. If it was only one, it would be 35, but there's 2 of them. So we got to add up to 35. And the other thing that's important to know, or to note, if you look at these 2 bar graphs, they're very close to one another. They're almost the same length. So here are choices down here, and they will give you these choices on this problem. They're going to have the choices. And you look at numbers that are close to one another, like 18 and 19, because remember, these guys are close. And they also add up to 35. And if you add 18 and 19, I think you get 37. So that isn't going to work. If you add maybe 15 and 18, those are fairly close. Yeah, that's not going to work either. It's 33 or something like that. 33. But what if you add this guy and that guy? 18 and 17. 8 and 7 is 15. Carry a 1. 35, baby. Here they are. 18 and 17. Which is which? Is 17 going to fit here? No. Why not? It's the big guy. So 17's got to fit down here. So it's going to be 17 here. And then 18, the longer guy, is going to fit right here. And if you add all those babies up, grab your calculator, do it if they'll allow it, you're going to wind up with 100%. And the answer is 18% of the people like action and 17% of the people like Bahama drama. Bam.